Dear audience, in the last video, we have seen how to create a graphic user interface. To implement this product selection tool, it looks like this. You can select different searching criteria and click a search button, and the refined result will be shown in the table. In this table, and you can highlight each one to read more details of the item. So let's continue to work on the next step, which is to read the Excel file into Python language. So let's have a look. Where is our Excel file? VS Code. It is not here. Okay, our file is Excel file is still on the desktop. Let's create a new folder. Let's call it data. Okay, drag and drop. Now we have this Excel file in the data folder. Maybe there will be multiple Excel data files. So we want to create a dialog allow users to select which Excel file we are going to load. So let's consult ChatGPT. Please generate a Python shows a file selection window to users to allow user to xlsx file. The default is default file is data, and then read the xlsx table 1 into a Python 2D. Let's see what it happens. Data 2D list ttinker. Okay, again use ttinker to use file log. File dialog. Okay, what is a file dialog? Let's go to Excel. If you want to load a file, open a file, this window is a file dialog. Pick up a target data file. Reverse ChatGPT. Here it is. Pandas. Need pandas. Do I have pandas already? Let's have a try. Python 3 pandas. If there's a no error complaint, it means I have already installed the pandas. No module name pandas. So I need to copy this command to install pandas. Exit to quit the Python environment and paste this command. Now pip is downloading pandas module. Oh, it seems we got a dependence, which is numpy. I don't even have numpy. I thought it is come with a official Python package. Cool, it works. Okay, next let's try this code. In the source file, let's create a xls reader.py. Let's run this xl. Okay, it asks me to select a file. Oh, there's a crash. Missing optional dependency open pyxl. Oh, open pyxl installed. Let's try again. Okay, it seems the list is successfully created. Let's have a breakpoint here and use debug. Data list. Let's see what is data list. We have a 0 line 0. How many lines are there? More. 4844 in total. No, there are more than 5,000. Let's see what is the last line. None. Connect type. Mail connector. Connect type mail connector M12 4 pin. Yeah, that's the last line. Maybe it has removed empty lines. I mean those empty lines. Let's see what's a line above this 2932 here. The last line is just a connection type mail. 2932 connection type mail. Yeah, cool. This process automatically removes all empty lines. Okay. That's what happens. It should be in this. I think this line removes empty row or columns. So what is none? None means here it is none, nothing in the cell. Cool. We have done this xlsx reader. The next one is to slice those lists into individual products.